For the following areas in New Jersey, western Monmouth and eastern Monmouth. High wind warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Monday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Winds, northwest 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. Timing, the greatest potential for high winds will be late tonight through about midday Monday. The winds will gradually weaken Monday afternoon, but strong gusts are still possible into the evening hours. Impacts, strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.